Hi everybody, welcome to the Wonder Basement, and my name is Tanya, and I just wanted to welcome you and also fill you in on what's been going on around here. Last week we went to my dream vacation of New York City. It was so incredible. We went with Patrick and my son Patrick and Olivia, his fiance, and my husband, and we had an awesome time. I love New York City. It was so much fun, and I would go back anytime. But on the way out there, I needed something to do because we drove and it was a 12-hour drive, and I thought, well, what am I going to do for 12 hours? So I came down into my crafting stash and I found this little card kit from Stampin' Up. If you can see that. A little card kit, and it's called Lots of Happy. And it is a great kit. I kind of embarrassed to tell you that I've had it for a little over a year and a half, and I just haven't had a time to sit down and put it together. It comes with I think it comes with 4 watercolor pencils. Well, let me just look real quick. Let's see. Yeah, I think it comes with 4 watercolor pencils, which are awesome. You use them like regular colored pencils, and then you color your die cut images. All the images are on easy, really nice cardstock, and you just pop them out and you color them, and then you can watercolor them later. I forgot my aqua painter or blender pen. Stampin' Up suggests that you use the blender pen because it's got a little less moisture in the tip, so it doesn't make your paper warp quite as much as the aqua painter would. So anyway, I just wanted to share with you how beautiful these things are, or this kit is. I have to say, Stampin' Up stuff always looks so much better when you see it in person. I mean, it's pretty in the catalog, but oh my goodness, it's gorgeous when you actually are up close and personal with it. It gives you enough product to make 4 of each of the images. So here's the first one I did, and I added some polka dot ribbon, and then on the underneath the happiest, you can see this is just a little tip. I actually stamped it with memento paper, stamp ink, which I already had sitting out. It comes with a small 1-inch Stampin' Spot in black ink, but I just had the other setting out, so I went ahead and stamped it with that. But that, when it gets wet, it can smear, the memento can, because it's a water-based ink. And I just went ahead and went with it because I thought it looked kind of like I intended to put a little bit of color underneath the happiest or on top of the birthday. So I went with it, and I think they turned out so pretty. So that's card number 1. This is card number 2, and I just love it that it also comes with this really pretty background paper, and then it comes with the envelopes that are actually lined, and so it just gives such a nice, rich feel to your cards. So you get 8 total of those for each of those, and then you also get a hexagon shaped card that is so cute. It's just, and all the color that you see on here is where I colored it with the watercolor pencils, and then I went over it with the blender pen to just kind of smudge it a little bit and blend it all together. And it has these little metallic flat banners that you layer on, and so it's just a really cute kit. And look at these cute little envelopes. How cute is that? Now this size you wouldn't be able to send in the mail, but you could put it in a package or just give it to somebody for a thank you gift or whatever. Then they had these cute little, these are just so cute. I love everything in miniature is cute, you know. It doesn't matter what it is. A basket, little gnome, anything miniature is cute. So it's got this little, it's like maybe a 2.5 by 3 or something like that, just little card. And then it's got this cute little envelope that you can just stick it right down in there. It's just so cute. And I think this would be really cute on a, these are a little bit bigger. It's probably 3 by 4 or something like that. But sending you lots and lots of happy. I think that would be a cute tag to put on a wedding gift for the spring. So, and they package so well inside of the little box finished. My ribbon came off, but I'm going to show you real quick how I put them all in here so that you could kind of see. Let's see. Well, one thing I did is so for presentation purposes, I put all these inside and just laid those like that. You'll get the idea here. And then on this one, I just put the envelopes edge to edge like this so you would see the cards. Oops. So then you would have a cute little gift for someone. Actually, it's a really nice gift for someone, a stationery set. As I was doing that, I remembered, or I realized, you know, it's great when you have a kit and all the cute little card sizes have envelopes that are already provided, but what do you do when you don't know, you want to make a cute little tag for a small gift, a wedding gift, something like that you wouldn't have a full card for, and you don't have an envelope. So I was thinking about, I wanted to show you our envelope punch board. This is a cute little tool. Oh, it's not cute, it's very utilitarian, and it's actually very useful. There is a score tool that is stored right into the, oops, there it goes, right into the back of the punch board. And a lot of people I have found are super intimidated because it's got all of the measurements down here, all the numbers, there's measurements up here, and it kind of scares people. So what I'm going to do is show you how to make a, I made a quick little 3x3 card that I am going to make an envelope for. And I am going to use the paper, the specialty paper. It's the Floral Romance specialty paper. It is so pretty. It's kind of a peachy vellum lace print, and it's on page 11 of the Occasions Mini. I've got some more projects that go with this card that I'll show you in a little bit, but really all you need to do, I'm going to move the camera down so you can kind of see what I'm working with, what we're doing. Okay, now we got it. All right, so you have all of the measurements on the left of the little labels, and what this is the card size that you want to have. Now I've got mine marked at 4¼ by 5½ because that is a standard card size. So with that size you need an 8x8 paper. That's what you already can buy from Stampin' Up in the white or the ultra smooth white or the vanilla. I'm going to make a 3x3 card. That's the size of my card, and so the size of paper that I need, the square I need, is 5¼ by 5¼ That's the center. That tells you what size paper you're going to start with. And then the measurement all the way over to the left or to the right is 2 inches, 2 5/8 inches, and that number is what you're going to use up here. You're going to go over 2 5/8 inches, and you're going to score, punch and score. I'm going to turn this around just because it's a little easier for me to see what I'm doing. But you've got a square piece of paper. It's 5 5¼ by 5¼ I am going to go over to the 2 5/8 inch mark right here, and it's marked 5/8, 1/2, 3/8, quarter, 1/8. So you don't have to figure that out. It's just, it's very simple. You're going to punch it, and then there's a score line right here, and your knife or your scoring tool will just fit right inside there. You're just going to score that, and then you're going to turn it. Then you're going to, then you won't use this anymore. You won't use the numbers. You're just going to use the actual, the score line that you just did. And you are going to line it up all the way to the edge and right on this little point right here with your score line. Vellum's a really good thing to show this with, because you can really see where the score line is. So I'm going to score it again. Oh wait, you need to punch it and then score it. I always say punch then score, then I can remember to punch. So then you're going to turn it again, and you're going to do the same thing. You're going to line this little line, the score line, up with the little line. And then I'm going to run the score line down and turn it, punch, and then score. And there you have a 3x3 envelope in the making. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take and I'm going to use this as a bone folder, and where I have scored it, I'm just going to score it nice and neat. Oops. All right. Okay. So here is your envelope taking shape. Now what I like to do, I think I'm going to put it, you can do it either way. I'm just going to put a little bit of adhesive right on this little point, and then I'm going to put some adhesive on either side. Fold that down. And you have a really super cute, special created envelope for your gift. And you could write underneath the envelope so it comes through, or you could just write on top of it. With the vellum, you're going to want to use something that's maybe like an alcohol-based pen so that it won't smear, or you can heat set it, or you could emboss somebody's name on it. That would be really pretty too. So there you have it. Let's see if we can get this back up. There you have how you can make a cute little envelope with the envelope template punch board, and I hope that you're not afraid to use it anymore. And post below what projects you think you could make with it, or you want to make with it, or you do make with it. Go crafting. See you later. Bye-bye.